morning, sir. Myself, Devi Magar. I am 39 years old. I am from Nepal. I have 4 members in my family. I have passed plus 2 from Nepal. My height is 150 centimeter and weight is 54 kg. I am medically fit and fine. I have 5 years experience as a poultry farm worker at Taepyeongyang Nongjang in Korea. I want to come to any Europe country as a poultry farm worker to earn money, support my family, and uphold my living standard. I am hardworking and honest person. I will complete my contract as per the company rules. Also, I will follow company rules and policies. Thank you.